In this short video, I want to go over how to work with multiple files opened simultaneously inside Photoshop. Right now you can see I have four different files open via these tabs. As I click on each one, you see those contents of that file show up. If I want to see, oftentimes I work with multiple files, so I want to move a layer from one file to another, or I want to maybe pull a color from one file and use it in another. I want to be able to see multiple files or the contents of a file when I see both of them at the same time. The way to do that is under the window option of the main menu is an arrange option. There we have various tile option and various, I call them up options. So you have 2 up, 3 up, 4 up, that number corresponding to a number of files that you want to show at one time. So let's say I want to do 2 up. It's going to pick the latest 2 files I was working with and open those up. Now the other files are still available in this top area just by clicking on the tab. If I want to go maybe see all of them at the same time, I'll do 4 up. Now I can see all 4 files. If I want to move one layer from one to another, for example, if I click on the bottom right, now to see your active one the tab is going to be on, so you can actually see it. Notice these other ones are grayed out. So this is the active file, along with the layers that go with that file. Let's say I want to move this butterfly from, actually I want to copy this butterfly from this file over to this image. So to do this easily, I'm going to make sure I'm on my move tool. I'm going to have the auto select, which will automatically pick up as underneath my cursor, instead of having to highlight the layer here in the layers panel. Click on the butterfly and just simply click and drag over. It's going to add that layer or that element to this file. This file is now the active file, indicated by the tab being highlighted. You can see here's my butterfly layer that was copied from one file over to this one. Okay. If I want to go back to the default setting, go back to Window Arrange and say Consolidate All to tabs, and then you go back just to seeing one at a time. So that's how you can see and work with multiple files opened up simultaneously inside Photoshop.